Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the login link expired on Gumroad in 2026. And if you see the login link expired on Gumroad, don't panic. This is a common security feature. Gumroad uses time-sensitive login links to protect accounts. So let's fix it step by step by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to request a new login link. Simply go to the Gumroad login page and enter your email and request a new login link. Login links expire after a short time of security. So we're just gonna try to open the Gumroad on the privates here. Private settings or private window. We're gonna click here. And once you enter your email in the login page, you're gonna click on login. You're gonna request a new login link. You can do that, click on forgot password or anything, and click on request a new login link. You can also use the latest email. Make sure you open the most recent login emails and don't use an older link. Old links automatically stop working. Also, you're gonna check the spam folder. If you don't see the login email, check the spam folder inside your inbox in Gmail, and then check the promotion, also the promotion tab, then click the newest link immediately. Also, avoid opening on a new or different device. Sometimes issues happen when you request login on phone, open link on desktop, then try using the same device and browser. Also, disable VPNs temporarily. Security systems may block suspicious logins. Turn off VPN, proxy, aggressive privacy tools, and make sure to click login link within minutes. Avoid requesting multiple links and keep email inbox open when requested. Now the link expired error is usually just a timing issues. Request a fresh link, open the newest email and log in quickly and you'll be back inside your account in seconds. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.